I came down to the shop today to get things cleaned up a little bit so I could put some undercoating underneath this thing. I'm going to take it outside and then bring the frame in, pull that transmission out, clean up what I can, and get things taken care of so I can start putting the 4-speed in there. But before I put this outside, I wanted to get it sealed up on the bottom, and I'll probably tape off that back window and tape off the hole for the heater. I didn't wire brush the firewall because I think I'm going to try and take brake cleaner and go over that and try and get the brown, the factory brown back. I don't know how that's going to work. But before I goop this up, I just kind of wanted to take a couple of shots from my own recollection of the factory paint. Sorry about that. Anyways, I just wanted to get a couple of snapshots in there. Look at that factory paint. That paint is on there from 1977. But that was kind of neat. And then another thing I kind of wanted to remind myself of is these are factory cab corners and rockers from the inside. I'm always worried about making sure that everything is absolutely sealed, and I've got drip checker, seam sealer on all of my joints. And you can see here, this is what the factory leaves. I don't know whether that's just because they want to, you know, it's a production environment and they're doing it fast, or if they do that so water can run out and things don't get trapped in there. But you can see there's a good 1/4 inch gap up around that rib, and this is a factory floor, so kind of makes me feel good about the work that I have done. It ain't exactly pretty all the time, but I think it's definitely functional. So, and no, that was not all the way up there when I was wire brushing the bottom. I had it sitting down here right off of those jack stands. But just kind of wanted to record that, if anything else, just so I remember. Thanks.